Sir, what is the outcome of this today, sir?
ಮಳೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೊಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೇವಿಯವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಡ್ದು ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡುವ ಅನ್ನಡಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮಳೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾರಿಯನ್ನ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಿಫ್ಟೀನ್ತ್ ನಾಳೆ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 16ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಅಥವಾ 4 ದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದಿವಸ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಳೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಶಾಸಕರಂತೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
But search will continue.
Continue.
Day after tomorrow it will continue.
No. Next day, 16. 16 will continue.
Sir, what is the outcome of today, sir? What is the outcome of today, sir?
See, as per the DM directions, district minister direction, then our district administration, police department, LDRF and SDRF. Other than that, a private person from Udupi, Ishwar, Malpe Ishwar, you know that. Apart from that, local fishermen, all we people are engaged for this particular work. It is our mandatory duty that we have to search all 3 bodies, because with Mr. Brother Arjun's body, our 2 bodies are also involved in this. So we have the same responsibility to search that also without having any deviations or nothing like that, because it is all of us, we are Indians, we have to work impartially. So we are working on that. And today, now from yesterday we are trying, but today some instruments with some rope which was tied for that vehicle, confirmed by the truck owner. We took him to the boat and he has confirmed that this is our whatever the rope is there, it belongs to us only. But it will not materialize. Yesterday we got jack also, some other elements, other parts also. But we have to see that, we have to get the bodies. Now afternoon we are discussing about dredger. As I have told you, we have requested Kerala government to give that. Till now it has not materialized. But today we have called from Goa one person and we are trying to get the machinery along with 2 tugs, along with 1 spud barge. Spud barge means basically it is a opening from the bottom. We will fill the mud and we will take wherever the chances are there to fill, we will open there and we will make that rescue. On that we will get 100% result, what I believe, because till today we were trying but we are not achieving. But that is the only last via media which is remaining. And that also we have discussed with our district administration, police department with the permission of DM and our CM and deputy CM and secretary level also madam has talked to. And any crisis of these funds or something like that is there, then also we will see that we will not hold the payment of anybody's. We will donate it the fund and we will make sure that we should get our body safely in the sense of whatever in position in this thing. So we will try. But tomorrow is the Independence Day. It is 78th Independence Day. We are not working tomorrow. It is not a good this thing sign. From day after tomorrow, we will try again, and within 2-3 days, we have talked to Captain of Ports Goa, to the Captain Octavia, Mr. Octavia, and we have talked to Minister Alex Sikera, who is Port Minister in Goa. He told that he will help, and it is whatever I have discussed in front of our MLA Sahab Musharraf ji. Am I right?
Yes.
So we will bring that also. Our last episode, we will not stop any activities. But the only problem was there till today, till yesterday, there was a underwater current was there. Now it is calm. As rightly Minister said that, Baba, we will wait, we will pray for God. Over at least another 2-3-4 days, we will be successful for this particular mission. And we will try to bring that machinery also. With that machinery, I also checked the Konkan Railway span and our Gangavali River span. There is no problem. But we will bring that and we will start our next programming. From today after tomorrow again, wherever we have found that rope, that we will search. We will make pakka one identification, and means like a well. This particular area first we have to search like that. And it is not for truck, I am telling you again. People are misunderstanding. What is our operation is the truck, all 3 bodies have been struck. Okay. It is not, we are not removing truck. Some people are saying that we are removal of truck work. No, sorry. Truck insurance is there, whatever we can make it solution for that. But we want to see that if it is the body is stuck, we have to remove that body. This is what we will do. Thank you for your cooperation, and don't be under any misunderstanding that, Baba, we will support 100%. We will support being Indians, and we have to support. It is our duty. We will do it.
Sir, what type of searching will do from day after tomorrow? Because
day after tomorrow, our seabird people, means that is Navy people, along with our Ishwar group, they will try. Till that, all paperwork we are doing now from the district administration and all this thing. We will bring the vessel. With the vessel, we will go with the 2 tugs. Tug means it will hold and it will pull. Okay. When we are trying to grab now, it should not tilt like that. That both the tug will hold like this, opposition direction, and we will make our operation. Right. In the meantime, spud barge. Spud barge is what? It is ground below, it is opening. It will go to the main river stream where it is the depth is more. There it will open automatically by hydraulic system, and all the material will go dump in outside, flush it, and again it will take.
കാർവാർ MLA സതീഷ് സേൽ സംസാരിക്കുന്നു. നാളെ തെരച്ചിലുണ്ടാവില്ല, പക്ഷേ 16-ാം തീയതി മുതൽ തെരച്ചിൽ തുടരും. ഗംഗാവാലി പുഴയിൽ ഒഴുക്ക് കുറഞ്ഞതിനാൽ വലിയ പ്രതീക്ഷയുണ്ട് ഈ തെരച്ചിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നു. അർജുൻ അടക്കമുള്ള 3 പേരുടെ കുറിച്ച് ഉള്ള വിവരങ്ങൾ പൂർണ്ണമാകുന്നതുവരെ തെരച്ചിൽ തുടരും. ഡ്രഡ്ജിംഗ് യന്ത്രം വൈകാതെ തന്നെ എത്തിക്കും എന്നുള്ള വളരെ പ്രതീക്ഷയുടെ വാക്കുകൾ കൂടിയാണ് കർണാടക MLA വ്യക്തമാക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഷെഡ്യൂളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണമാണ് കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. തിരികെ എത്താം ഇടവേളയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം.